Today's top news headlines. Virus case could be higher in winter, warns health director. Manipur reports 4 more dengue positive cases, tally at 39. Manipur logs 53 COVID-19 new cases, 1 fatality in past 24 hours. And MPCC expressed deep concern over losing Manipur's land. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease, maintain a safe distance from others, even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear a mask in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination. Cover your nose and mouth with your band elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Hello, this is PONYTV, giving you the latest Thursday English bulletin. I'm CHRISTINA. Now the news in detail. Dr. K. Razo, Director of Manipur Health Services, today informed that the recent disease outbreak in Churachandpur district affecting children was caused by RSV virus. Among the infected children, only 2 were reported to be COVID positive. Dr. Razo further said COVID-19 positivity rate has significantly declined in the state, that there were no fatalities for 7 days. He, however, cautioned that the people still need to be careful and follow COVID protocols during this festive season. He warned that the virus case could be higher in winter. He also talked about the spread of dengue, detecting 35 cases in 7 districts. He said the authority has started organizing awareness program to prevent the disease from further spreading in the state.
Yame, aduna. Aikoina masina hotel yakoigi hojiki state malaria officer kam national vector disease control program lo kullaga aikoina masigi leriba preventive measures sing magi virus nina magi chakchaba sina tharage ja phagani hatsu dai once man na ko di supportive treatment coronavirus ko mani lahau to gana tiba ade secondary infection le gana magi adu basana tiba adu masi makal lay classical type hama hemorrhagic type hama shock type hama makal lay.
Meanwhile, 4 people tested positive for dengue at Moreh following rapid tests done at Ultimate Diagnosis Center and Clinic and Diagnosis Center Moreh. The patient got symptoms like headache, fever, and nausea. Many of them were referred to Imphal for better treatment. A media team tried to meet doctors and experts from malaria department at Moreh Sub-District Hospital, but the department office was locked. Meanwhile, the people of Moreh have urged the Manipur government to take up necessary action to curtail the deadly disease from further spreading. Manipur logs 53 COVID-19 new cases in the past 24 hours to take the total tally to 123,526. The state also reported 1 fatality, taking the death toll to 1,918. The positivity rate was recorded at 2.9%, according to a release from the State COVID-19 Command Control Room. The fresh cases were detected from 1,829 samples. The COVID-19 Command Control Room also said that 11 people were recuperated from the disease in the last 24 hours. With 16,156 people testing positive for coronavirus infection in a day, India's total tally of COVID-19 cases rose to 3,42,31,809, while the active cases declined to 1,60,989, the lowest in 243 days, and the death toll climbed to 4,56,386, with 733 fresh fatalities, according to the Union Health Ministry data update on today morning. The active cases comprise 0.47% of the total infections, the lowest since March 2020. While the national COVID-19 recovery rate was recorded at 98.20%, the highest since March 2020, the Health Ministry said. A decrease of 1,672 cases has been recorded in the active COVID-19 case load in a span of 24 hours. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC today expressed deep concern over losing Manipur's lane to neighboring Myanmar at the Indo-Myanmar border. It seems a huge part of the 395 square kilometer lane belonging to Manipur has either ceded or lost to Myanmar. MPCC General Secretary Hareswar Goswami told journalists at the Congress Bhawan in Imphal. According to a record, Manipur covered an area of 22,357 square kilometers in 1978, but the area of lane was reduced to 22,327 square kilometers recently. The Congress government had time and again tried to solve this dispute, but the incumbent BJP government is seemingly not taking interest in solving the border issue, Hareswar Goswami said.
Adani conference 120 yards haigalaga yungdabase project kai tokeda meter dana from the giluni toranga meter 360 feet yard na 120 yards aduga feet dana 360 feet haigalaga yungdabase deiza project feet the eye of meter dana meter apegi tahum haigalaga 120 meters mo 110 meters mo meter dadi adu meter tahum mo haigalaga yungdabase.
Backwardness and distress have deepened in the village of Boroikalt in Jiribam district. The villagers said the Manipur government has long neglected the village. The standard of living of Boroikalt is worst. This interior village is located about 30 kilometers from Jiribam headquarters and about 12 kilometers north of National Highway 37. Elected member of Babukal, Sabughat and Boroikal under Hilgat Gram Panchayat Garyanbam Gobesor said about 280 families started living in the village since 1964. Owing to bad road condition, lack of hospital and school, a large number of people from the village had shifted to other places for better living. Traveling on foot and small boats are the only means of transport of Boroikalt village. He called on the Manipur government to look into the plight of Boroikal.
Asida akoina lerki bisi 1964-5 tagi hauna khunda leidara kibani ahan bada akoise jum changi ga hungtra matpu leramni hai adubo lam sida lambi thong leitabadagi ana lain sang leitabadagi adu school gi khudong chadab dagi mi singsi loina hongdona gi ba Yogi lady was Jumani Tonaraga, announcing like Amandabaya, the Hybridonka, Jiribanda, Angamba Kanguna, in Colonna, Rekrak Machamam, Aduga, like the double Kanguna, Kanatana, Maruma Pang sing the Gi, sing the Matin Lavakanda, in Konato, watching Jiaga, Hajan on Jaraga, Makui, Manaka, Jum Macha, Masaraga, announcing like Taman Bagi, Adumina, consider me later. Adubo government junction bi bawat padagi kunna si asigi phim dala ki bani hojik su lambi thong chi mg narega na kilometer 30 mukti ka adubo jawgdaba kilometer ani muwali adu oraga su thong leitabna maram oraga lambi asi hojik si na bayadana leire.
Jiribam District Magistrate W. Malim Ganba has directed all the licensed arms holder to deposit their firearms recorded in the respective licenses issued by the Office of the District Magistrate with immediate effect. Failing which, the license is liable to be punished for violation of government instruction under relevant provision of Arms Act 1959, read with Arms Rule 2016. The Manipur government had on October 25th, directed all the district magistrates to issue suitable notifications to cause deposit of all licensed guns to the police station concerned at the earliest in the interest of marinating law and order in regard to the ensuing State Assembly polls 2022. 8 election offices were inaugurated today at Irom Pukri Mapal of Kaisamthong constituency by Sapam Nisikant, intending candidate of Kaisamthong constituency. Manipur goes to poll in early part of 2022. Many supporters of Sapam Nisikant were present during the function. Speaking to media person, Nisikant said if elected, his first priority would be to provide safe drinking water to every household of Kaisamthong constituency. Nisikant also said he will work towards ensuring all government-sponsored schemes are received by the resident, adding that he will also make use of the local area development fund in the development and welfare of Kaisamthong constituency.
Violence talk was a toy the me after all a loin sidas like MLA Kudima intending candidates lawmaker again like the law break to gumsi within the law a quick ego kitang handanasi adum kesukai de adum kai no last day a loy seva to do adun I think violence avoidable leader amount again thola punina gunda obiganu leader obiu every fund every scheme every poorest to the poor the yoba scheme things adun hek angang ama anupi ama miron badagi hawram scheme je pok to angang ko ma hanura si di bau adum scheme matani sim yam set mingon da deliver to ba cheng maru khuding mak miyam khuding mak te yoba cheng kilo manga haidi kilo manga kilo kuntrai do kuntra nga adu local area development fund gi pai gi hisab tham jagani pai gi hisab ai gi tolop sap chen jagani ai politics tanga ise mayam gi jamak tani manipur da seva to changja puni paisa tang changja pate hayeng tungda kaino mai oira bhauda kaino ma delhi da chapani khangde to so ai hotel leiba khotpa ai pachana leijani ai karim da sen politics.
A one-day political conference was held today at Lamlai, Nongada, Kameng Playground by BJP Lamlai Mandal in favor of intending candidate of Lamlai Assembly constituency, Kongban Tabam Ibomcha, who is also the executive member of BJP Manipur Pradesh. Over 10,000 people from 52 different villages of Lamlai took part in the program. Works Minister Tongam Biswazit, MLAs El Susindro and Agriculture Minister Olukwe shared the dice at the event. Speaking during the political conference, intending candidate KH Ibomcha said that the dark period of Lamlai ends today and that today is the triumph of good over evil.
Lagi manung dalai iba barang boy dari lapir ba ahal lamal iba iwel sini nau maktani.
Bari ngasi lamai kendra ki praja singna yam na wana ngairak panumit matun cho aroidra kang na mang hadra haina khanamba ado kang aroi hujik ti haurani hai ma du numit to la abani la ibanu mise karamanu mit mami Sige numise, asum mana aran babu mai thiba piba numit. Amang bako pa numit. Sem na mi laira ka mi orka niya khan ba tu kumba candidate forsa chappa numit.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.
Admissions open for pre-primary teachers training courses. 10 seats per batch for 6 months. 90% job facilities, also available online classes. For more details, please contact Nawasing Damsang Office, Changangai, Makhalaikai. Contact number 8837483810. Occasion singidamagta makhal kayagi cake, haibadi photo cake, layer cake, brunch cake, barbie cake, fruit topping cake, cupcake sinachingba fongbigani. Amadi adomgi apamba moongda cake customize tawbagi khudongchabasu pisari. Khudongchabasing asi lawbinabagidamagta lengsing birau aikhoigi address NG College Road near Naurangtong. Phone number 9864112972. Aikhoigi online partner Food Wi-Fi amasung Food Web dagisu order tawiba yagani.
Welcome back. A total of 68 people from Manipur have been selected to honor with various national and international awards. This was informed in a press release by Secretary of Dalit Sahitya Academy. Manipur became Mangang today. In this connection, a national conference will be held on December 11 and 12 at Panchasil Ashram in New Delhi, and an international conference will also be held in the last week of December in Kathmandu, where the awards will be distributed. Bharat Ratna Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Distinguished Service National Award 2021, different fellowship National Award 2021 and National and International Award 2021 will be given during these two events. With regard to the election issue of Maram Union, 21 Maram Village Authority asserted that the illegitimate office bearer of Maram Union for the tenure 2021 to 2024 cannot represent Maram community. Maram Union is any of the affiliated organization until it is settled as part of the rule of law of the Maram Union constituency. The 21 Maram village authorities then say that they will not accept the unconstitutional and manipulated office bearer of Maram Union for the tenure 2021 to 2024 under any circumstances, and reaffirm and null and voice since it is not the people mandate. The 21 village authorities said this is an open letter to the interim speaker of Maram Union while declaring the proposed office bearer of Maram Union for tenure 2021 to 2024 as null and void. The high voltage campaign for the by-election for the 3 constituencies of Meghalaya scheduled for October 30 came to a close on Wednesday. At Baibari under Rajabala constituency, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma also, along with several MLAs and MDC, held a massive rally and an election meeting to show NPP's strength. The year was charged with NPP leaders lashing out on opposition parties, particularly Congress, for the alleged false promises and misinformation campaign in the Rajabala area. Ex-MDC Sophia Rahmat, NCP President Saleng Sangma spoke at the election meeting and slammed the Congress party and sought for people's mandate for the ensuing election. The crowd was enthralled by local singers, and clearly the festive spirit of the election could be witnessed in the meeting as supporters chanted NPP Jindabad slogan. NPP candidate expressed his gratitude to NPP MLAs and MDCs who campaigned for him continuously in both hills and plains to garner support for NPP. In exercise of the power conferred by Clause 1 of Article 174 of the Constitution of India, the Governor of Nagaland has summoned the 9th session of the 13th Nagaland Legislative Assembly to commence from November 25, 2021 in the Assembly Hall, Kohima. Once again, the top news headlines. Virus cases could be higher in winter, warned health director. Manipur reports 4 more dengue positive cases, tally at 39. Manipur logs 53 COVID-19 new cases, 1 fatality in past 24 hours. And MPCC expressed deep concern over losing Manipur's lane. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News.